warm welcome to you all here at Glantaf. We're about to return now, our young people return to the school, to a very different scenario to that which they're used to. However, what we've put in place here now should be able to facilitate effective use of our site by all students. They'll have an opportunity now to look at some things on the video and get familiar with the new way of organising things within the building, the ways in, the rooms where they'll be educated and so on. So we hope that this will be useful for you, the pupils, and you as families in moving things forward next week. We look forward to greeting you. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Hello! A chroeso nôl I Glantaf.
We know this has been a difficult time for us all.
And some of you are really nervous about coming back to school.
But hopefully you'll find this video helpful.
For knowing what to do on your first day back.
If you're having your lessons in the F block, then follow me.
If you're having your lessons in the hall, follow me.
If you're having your lessons in the E block, then follow me.
And if you're having lessons in the D block, follow me.
So if you're having your lessons in the hall or in F block, this is the only way in for you.
For those of you learning in the E block, you'll only be coming into school this way.
If you are a student in corridor D, this will be your entrance.
Follow us.
Way to queue to get in, so remember to keep 2 meters by these spots. If you have lessons in the F block, then this is the entrance.
If your lessons are in the hall, it's this way.
Well done. Well, Grace and Jerry,
Thank you.
come in. We're first going to use the hand sanitizer here, okay?
Somewhere where there's an X on the table, this is where you'll be staying for the rest of the day.
After coming in, this is my seat for the day. Really important to bring your own equipment because we can't share.
Remember to bring your own drink because the water fountains will not be available.
Miss.
Can I go to the toilet, please?
Of course you can. That's a really good question to ask because you're only allowed to go to the toilet during lessons.
One in, one out policy in the toilets, so it's really important that you check that there's no one else in there before you go in.
Hello, street therapist!
Rodri!
Hello, Senator Mona?
Rodri?
Yeah.
It's break time. Follow me. here, the main yard.
There's half an hour for every lunchtime and 15 minutes for every break time.
If it is raining, you will spend your time in the classroom on break times and at lunchtime. And remember to bring a lunchbox.
We hope this has helped you understand the new guidelines of the school.
We're looking forward to welcoming you back to Glantaf soon.
And remember to keep the 2 metres at all times.
And use a lot of hand sanitizer.
Bye!